And there's the second set of privacy screens done. I'm going to open up the exterior shutters and let sunshine on these for a while to dry them out a bit more. I've squeegeed them all, but it's better to have some sunshine on them, let them dry out. Yeah, now all I got to do is clean up the mess I've made here, clean up everything downstairs and get all my tools organized, and then I have to get all the garbage ready and go to the dump. And after I get done that, then I get to drive back to Tokyo. Hopefully it's not going to be a nearly 6 hour adventure like the last time. Hopefully I can do it closer to 4, but we'll see. Well, that privacy screen is done. I ended up cutting about 12 centimeters off the top, maybe 6 inches, because when you're seated here in one of these chairs, you couldn't really see the ocean. So I talked to the client and we agreed, and it came out to that. I think it's perfect now. When you sit there in the chair, you can see basically, you can just see the edges of the rooftops over there, so you can see everything you would normally see. But you have the privacy on the bottom, which is great. This stuff is kind of designed to look like Japanese washi paper, but it's a plastic film that you put on. Yeah, it's really great. And then over here as well behind this, um, beautiful day out there. My goodness, sunshine, blue skies, a little hazy, but beautiful, beautiful day. So now I get to clean up all my tools and go to the garbage dump and drive back to Tokyo.